So my friend just called and he has driven off the road. He had to do a emergency maneuver to avoid a dog and then just got into the side of the road, so in the ditch. So I'm going to bail him out. So yeah, going here now. Packed all the Maxtrax spades and have my snatch strap and some soft shackles. So I think we are pretty good. So I think my plan is just to pull him forwards using the Maxtrax to build a track for him. So I think it's gonna be super easy. Just get him on the Maxtrax and he's gonna almost drive himself out. It's just a regular Toyota and it's only front wheel drive. So we will see. It's not far. Just I think 10 minutes to drive up there from where I am now. So see you up there. I think I see him.
Selvfølgelig har han med kamera.
Ja, det er viktig.
De kan ta han med dere.
Ja, da går det bra.
Ja, det ordner seg. Ja, det blir lett. Du skal ha en krok framme, tror jeg.
Jeg har han er på denne siden.
Ja.
Så jeg tror du har rett at det er lettest at vi bare fører.
Ja, jeg har et brett, skjønner du. Så vi legger snø, og så legger vi brettene, og så...
Venstredekket mitt ligger helt inne i skråkanten.
Ja, men ikke
det er nesten nok at jeg gjør sånn, og så begynner vi å gå opp.
Ja, vi legger et brett der, og så legger vi et brett her på skrå opp. Så vi drar han fram på brettet, og så drar vi han opp. Så er det kult.
Null stress, men vi var beyond håndmakt. Ja. Skal du ha det på engelsk?
So this is my best friend Thomas.
Yeah, I did just an evasive maneuver for a guy who didn't have his dog on a short leash. He had a long leash, and his dog made a movement right out to the center of the road.
Yeah.
So I basically just sacrificed the car just to not kill his dog.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's a cheap car. It's an expensive dog.
Yeah. So, but I brought all my Maxtrax, so we're gonna fix this pretty quick, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could almost just drive up with the Maxtrax, I think.
Almost. Probably. If we can remove some snow on the side.
Yeah, we can try that first.
We can actually do it.
Yeah.
Så det er jo brutale greier.
Så at... When you're working with Maxtrax in the snow, you want to use the snow to your advantage. So you want to build the ramp with the snow first and then put the Maxtrax on top of that ramp. There's enough surface area on the Maxtrax that they will float on the snow and give you solid ground to drive on. Putting the Maxtrax underneath each other so they hook up and won't spin away whilst we're driving on them. Since there's no diff lock in the front differential, we need to put a track on the other side so we can get the initial traction when we start driving. I found that the most difficult part about using the Maxtrax in snow is getting the first Maxtrax to hook up with the tire. And you're going to see that we need a couple of tries. So just laying the Maxtrax down, like building a road for the left hand side. One for the grip, so this is for front wheel drive. And he's removing the snow in front of the rear tire. So I think we can just drive up on the Maxtrax. We're gonna try that.
This is the X factor though. That's the rear tires.
Yeah.
The depth.
Yeah. We will see. But I think it's gonna be okay. Så hvis du bare retter opp litt og så kjører
Grab.
Ja. Da rattet litt den her. Nei, igjen. Ja, ja, og så kjører du fremover. Nei, så rolig. Nei. Ja. Prøv nå. Ja, ja. Må ikke fære da. Ta rett mer opp. Ikke sving oppover ennå. Jeg skal si ifra når du skal svinge oppover. For nå har du grep på den oppe, så nå er det bare å få den her under ordentlig. Ok. Ja. Ja, kjør, kjør. Og du kjører der, ja, og så hold han der, kjør, 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 kjør. Nei, bare kjør. Kjør, 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 kjør. Ah! Skills!
Det får en si. Ja, for den bygde opp en kant imellom det som faktisk er festet her.
Ja.
Jeg tror du skal ha med til å balansere på dem hele tiden.
Ja, men du gjorde det nå.
Ja, det ble jo snøtten.
So that's if you're heading out alone and going off-road or overlanding in snow, you need they bring 4 Maxtrax. So you need 4.
And a shovel.
Yeah, for self-recovery. So yeah, and a shovel. Easy fix.
Easy fix. Even with a Toyota Avensis. Fucker Mom edition.
So Thomas just made my day.
You can go stick it.
Spade.
It was a Chihuahua.
Chihuahua?
Yeah. With evasive maneuver for a Chihuahua. So,
yeah, but you saved that dog and
yeah, he didn't have to explain why his dog had a different shape coming home, at least. But
what did he say? Did he?
he was embarrassed as hell.
Okay, yeah.
So, but he apologized.
Yeah, that's good.
I just sent him away because there was nothing to do.
Yeah. You knew who to call.
I knew to call.
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
No, Rover Drive.
Oh, okay.
So this could have gone much worse if you notice the tree stump just 5 meters further down the ditch. Yep. So I just recovered Thomas. So I love this, having the gear to help out, and yeah, it's fun doing recovery when it works out, at least. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home and then head out and go for a walk into the beautiful nature we have there now. With the snow now, it's amazing. So yeah, this was turning out to be a great day. Really great day. So thank you, Thomas. Remember to hit that like button if you liked the video, and be sure to support the channel by subscribing. If you want to support the channel even more, head over to Patreon and check out how you can support me creating more videos like this. So yeah, I would call that a successful recovery, and yeah, A bit of fun on a Sunday.